To speak, a number of things have to be taken into consideration, like grammatical structure, vocabulary, register. Register meaning you're speaking to the boss or are you speaking to a friend, for example. The first two, structure and vocabulary, have to be learnt by the speaker one way or another. And here the speaker is advised to understand in which way he or she best learns. Some of us grasp material better through a visual image, and so reading helps to retain what is being taught. Others find a hands-on approach suits better, and practical usage through practice achieves the aim quickly. Perhaps the message is more easily picked up through an audible presentation, listening to songs, watching films, etc. Knowing the way you learn ought to speed the process of learning for you. Having answered this question, then you need to pursue the selected path. Reading ought to be a safe and sure way of improvement. By reading the right material, you can see grammatical structures being used correctly. You will be introduced to fresh vocabulary, correctly spelt, as well as gaining knowledge or being entertained, or both, from the material read. The practical hands-on person and the listener face problems when exposed to another learner speaker, since, for both, you could well end up practicing or hearing incorrect language usage, resulting in the need to unlearn at some stage. If you are able to find a very good speaker, then your progress ought to be good. However you learn, vocabulary is a major factor in speaking well. What can be done to aid this process? Perhaps consideration as to how you build up your vocabulary by the easiest and most efficient method is the step forward. The grouping of words into families will help. You learn the word chair, so add to that table and other items in the dining room and learn them together. Or with chair, learn stool, sofa and other things you sit on. You will need a dictionary to help you with this. You could relate your words through different parts of speech, noun, verb, adverb, etc. So we read, he was educated in France, and we do not understand the word educated and have to check it. At the same time of recording this word in your book, we could also learn education, educational, educate, educationally. 5 words for the price of 1. This way we will see patterns of words. Words ending that indicate the word is a noun or an adverb, for example. Such information can later help in reading comprehension. Language will improve with constant use. One more way to try to achieve accuracy alongside fluency without the aid of others would be to record your speaking by reading a set passage and then later try to record the same sentence without the text. Whatever you do, remember progress will take time. Set attainable targets and you will achieve your goal. Best wishes, Kazakhstan.